Have you ever wondered how, far away from warm homes and fireplaces, sailors in the Royal Navy celebrate Christmas in the middle of the freezing ocean? The day begins in the galley. Chefs are already at work, prepping thousands of Brussels sprouts and roasting turkeys. Up on the bridge, operations continue as normal, but with a festive twist. There are no alarm clocks today.
Wakey-Wakey,
Instead,
eggs
the
and
crew is
bacon.
woken
Happy
up by
Christmas,
the
everyone.
Christmas Wakey-Wakey tradition,
Oh,
where
come on, it's
senior
too early.
officers
Merry
wake the
Christmas.
junior sailors with music and noise. From the flight deck to the engine room, spirits are high. Whether it's hanging a wreath on a helicopter or decorating the ship's bell, the crew makes the steel surroundings feel like home. And then, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the mail drop. When helicopters lower those care packages from home, the
Careful now,
morale
let's get
on
these
board
open.
skyrockets.
I hope I got that fruitcake from Mom.
Now it's time for the Navy's oldest and most cherished tradition. The captain trades his formal uniform for a chef's apron. The junior crew takes their seats.
It's an honor to serve you all tonight.
Thank you, Commander.
This is the only day of the
Meal looks
year where
incredible.
commanders and officers become waiters, serving roast dinner to the junior sailors with their own hands. It's a powerful symbol of naval brotherhood. And catch this, the youngest sailor on board is dressed in the captain's jacket and hat, jokingly inspecting the ship while the crew cheers him on.
Why did the snowman marry the carrot? Because he thought it was a nose-picking good snack.
After pulling the Christmas crackers and sharing jokes, the mess hall falls silent. It is time for the loyal toast, raising a glass to the king, even if it's just fruit.
A king.
See, this is what I was
But
telling you about.
amidst the laughter,
Oh, wow,
thoughts
that looks
inevitably
good, babe.
turn to home. A
Daddy,
quiet
eat the
video call to
potato.
family is the best gift of all. And once the feast is over, everyone pitches in to clean up. As the sun sets over the Atlantic, the ship returns to operational mode.
220.
In the radar rooms and the crew lounge, the mission
Correlating
continues.
data now. Possible inbound.
Yes, a 6. I'm finally moving out.
Not so fast. 6 again. Back to the start for you.
In the silence of the night watch, a sailor opens a care package in his bunk. Outside in the pitch black, the watchman sips hot tea, keeping eyes on the horizon. Photo taped to a locker, a choir singing Silent Night under the stars. These are the moments that remind them of the distance from their loved ones. As the crew sleeps, the ship sails on. We dedicate this to those serving far from home, keeping us safe. Merry Christmas from the Royal Navy.